Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the beat pump effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, find a song with some good beats. I'm going to choose from the Filmora audio and chose this rock intro. Right click on it and make sure to select the beat detection, then go to beat options and highlight every one beats. Drag your footage to the timeline. Adjust it to the song. Copy it and paste it above. Then right-click, Video, Crop and Zoom, and crop the footage a little bit. Now go to Effect and search for Up Down 1 and adjust it to the footage. Then let's add some glitch effect. We're going to add this glitch dispersion. Now we want to crop the effects and the footage above, when the beat appears, and go 3 layers later and crop again. Make sure to lock the footage below in the audio. Here I didn't do the same because of the chaotic atmosphere in the song, and it looks better like this. Then we should delete the ones between the crops. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.